Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Business here, and I'm doing a tutorial on how to basically pause it in QuickTime. So yeah, here's how you do it. So you have your two clips, like you record one, and then end it, and then record another one, and then save both of them. So if you have both of them up, here's what you want to do. You want to take your first clip, so.
Hey, guys, it's Joe Business here, and this is the first episode of Splag. And it's fun, the game is really fun.
As you can see, that's the first part, and this is the second part.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the second part of the thing. Yeah.
As you can see. So what you want to do is you want to click on your first recording, and then go up, and then it says edits, and then go to add clip to end, and then you want to do your one that you just did. So untitled today, choose media, and then I'll add that clip to this one. So yeah.
Awesome.
Let me just resume it to here. And then watch how it comes from that one to the next one.
I fell.
Almost instantaneous.
Yeah. I'll be back with another game. Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Business here, and this is another episode of Hunger Games.
Oh gosh, no.
We're playing
that wasn't the right one.
And yeah.
No. I forgot to save this one. Oh gosh, that was fail. So let me just save this. That one. So you save it. Takes like a minute. Not even that. Like 30 seconds. So it's doing that right now. Let me just take this off real quick. Trim. There we go.
So I don't know if I should go for mid or.
What?
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joe Business here, and this is the first episode of. Gotta go down here.
Oh, that doesn't really work. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Don't save. So this is part one. Okay, Splag, 57 seconds long. So I have both of them right here. That was a fail, kind of. But I have both of them right here. So you want to take your first one, and then edit, and then add clip to end. And then you do part 2. There we go. What? It's not really working. Where is it? It's right here. Maybe I have to exit. No, it's the same clip. I don't know why it's not working, but yeah, you just add your other clip to the end of it, and that's how you do it. And then when you're done, you can just click this, and then publish to YouTube, and then you're done. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe, and other than that, take care.